Alrighty, good morning guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I got my beautiful princess Cristina, and her car does need a few things done to her car. First off, dire need of an oil change because somebody never likes to take care of an oil change. Second, we're gonna go ahead and rotate her tires. I like to do these ones every other oil change, so on this oil change it is gonna be time for her to go ahead and do that. And her brake has been a little bit mushy, so we're gonna go ahead and swap out her brake fluid for some nice fresh brake fluid. And then also her high mount brake light in the back is out too, so we're gonna go ahead and tackle that, and also teaching her how to do her own stuff because, so she says, independent women. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna show her. She's gonna go ahead and jack up the car. I'm gonna go ahead and show her real quick where to go ahead and lift the car up from. Alrighty, so we went ahead, we got the car all jacked up on both sides, and I put the jack there under that wheel just in case. You never know. Anyways, now it's time to show Miss Cristina how to go ahead and do her oil change. So go ahead, under the car. And I'm gonna join you underneath. Oh, okay. All right, so for your car, it's extraordinarily simple. It's a Honda, of course. So over here, you can see that's your drain plug. By the way, this engine has been cooling for like an hour and a half, so we're cool. And then this is your oil filter, your old one, all right? Mm-hmm. So I don't know if you can reach all the sockets there. Oh, okay. So she went ahead and she got her 17 mil. So this is where the plug is, right here. So you can put it on there. Let me grab the, I forgot about this.
Here?
No, where your ratchet is, that's where it's gonna come out. So this one, you wanna kind of put it somewhere about there. Ish, I hope. I'm gonna pop you guys up here real quick. All right, okay.
Wait, don't we need this?
Yeah. Okay, so I went ahead and cracked it. Oh, you want the gloves?
Doesn't matter at this point.
Okay. So now, what you can go ahead and do is unscrew the plug.
This.
And I'll be here, and be warned, it might get on your manual.
Wow.
Once you feel it get loose, there you go. And you are now draining your oil. Here, watch out. There we go. All right. Now we got her oil draining. Oh, careful, my dog. I'll get you some napkins. Hold on.
You didn't even bring napkins.
Yeah, I did. Watch out.
Don't we need to oil the new air filter?
Oil filter, my love.
Yeah.
Oil filter. And yes, you're right. We do. Alrighty. So we got her oil draining. She made not that much of a mess, honestly. She did pretty good. Alrighty. So now what you can do is you can clean the drain plug.
Okay.
Alright. And then now you're gonna grab your ratchet. You're gonna flip it. And then you're gonna go ahead and tighten it as much as you can. I'll go ahead and tighten it a little bit more.
That's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put it just a little bit.
It's literally tight.
Yeah.
Told you.
Cool. All right. Now, my love, what is the next step?
Wow, I do unscrew this.
Very good. But you cannot do it. You're just your manos. We need help. I will get you help. Alrighty, cool. So I have this little cool tool set where it comes with a bunch of different oil filter kind of rings, and this one fits perfectly on hers. Go very slowly, or do you want me to do it for you here? Okay, oil.
I don't need your help.
Oh, she don't need no man, guys. All right, oil should start coming out very slowly. There. Okay, hold on.
That's it? Like, just
Wait.
unscrew it?
No. Take the tool out first. There you go. And then now you can unscrew with just your hand. Be careful.
Where did the oil go?
In here.
Oh.
And then careful, there's still oil in the filter. So try to take it out like kind of straight and then dump it in here. And then beautiful, my love. All right, give me 1 second, guys. We're gonna go ahead and clean all this up, and then we're gonna get the new filter in. Alrighty, guys, oil filter is on. So now basically what's left to do?
To fill oil.
Very good. Do you know how much oil your car takes?
Yes, 5 quarts.
Yeah, no, it doesn't. It takes 4.5 quarts.
5 quarts.
4.5. Now, wait. Let me put some napkins so that way you don't spill. So I just did that. I kind of don't have a funnel, so just gonna have to kind of wing it. Yeah.
Good aim, okay?
All right, we'll see about that.
Told you.
Yeah, real good aim, I see. Yep, very good aim, I see. Do you want me to do it for you?
No. Anyways, don't even matter.
Alrighty, so we went ahead and poured the new oil in. So I was cleaning this area, and she was like, "Oh, why are you cleaning it? Like, is it bad?" And I was like, "No, it's just I don't like, seeing it dirty." The napkin that I had here where she spilled a bunch of oil, she proceeds to grab it and put it all over the valve cover entirely.
It's shiny now.
We can just do that at the car wash.
Okay, and you didn't have to clean up the little spots. We're just gonna wash it anyways.
Yeah, but I just don't like seeing it.
Okay, well, I don't like.
Alrighty, anywho's. So now what you can do, we have oil in the car, drain plug is tight, oil filter is tight, so you can go ahead and start your car.
Good.
Okay, let's go start your car. Alright, go ahead and start the car. So what you're looking for is making sure there's no oil pressure light, which there isn't, which is good. She's gonna go ahead and reset her light. Let's see if she remembers. Let go. Press and hold again until it stops. I feel like I'm at work. You've done it.
100%.
You can go and turn the car back off. And then let's go check underneath the car, make sure nothing is leaking. Okay, so we got the oil in, we checked underneath the car for any leaks or not. So now Miss Cristina is gonna go ahead and check her oil level. So this one right here is your dipstick. So you can go ahead and pull that one out. You may need to use a little bit of force. There you go. Alrighty, and then so what we're gonna look for is, you see there, your oil is all nice and shiny and clean, right where it needs to be, so it's all good. So you can go ahead and put it back. All right, and now next thing that we're gonna go ahead and do is, let's do your high mount light. So we're gonna move to the trunk now.
Vamos.
All right, guys, so now we're in the trunk. So you're gonna go ahead and look right here, and that is your high mount light. So you're gonna go ahead and twist it off. So you're gonna twist it.
Which way?
Yep, there you go.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then you're gonna go ahead and pull the light out. A little bit of force. No, pull the bulb. Pull the bulb. Yeah. There you go. Oh. Okay, not that one. Pull the bulb. There. Oh. There you go. Okay. So now we have the new bulbs in this box. So the bulb for this one specifically is a 7443. So here is a new one right here. So go ahead and put that one in. And then you're gonna plug it back in. Yes.
Is that on?
Yeah.
You sure? It looks like it's sticking out a lot.
Oh, okay. Maybe. Hold on. Hold my phone real quick. Let me see the one.
Is it not gonna fit? Oh no.
Oh, I got the wrong one, guys. I got the wrong one. Whoops, that's on me. Okay.
To be continued.
To be continued for that one. I got the wrong one. It's a 7440. Whoops.
And you said I don't know my car.
A little bit of a hiccup I ran into. There was another Civic I did. I swear it was 7440. Anyway, so to be... Alrighty, so from that hiccup, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and change her brake fluid. So first, we're just gonna go ahead and just take off the cap real quick. Yeah, nice and dirty. Needs to be changed. You want some good brakes? This is how you get them. So on the cheap and on the low. Alright guys, so my phone is acting really dumb. It's just cutting off whenever I'm in the middle of talking. Anyways, so we went ahead and took off the oil cap or the brake cap. So in the order that you need to do this is starting from the farthest part of the reservoir. So you're gonna go ahead and do the passenger rear tire, and then you're gonna go to the driver's side tire, then you're gonna go the passenger front, and then this tire right here closest. So what we need to do now is, you have your keys? Okay. We don't want another incident where the keys are locked in the trunk. I had that and she had that too. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and lower the car now. We're gonna go ahead and we'll lift the back, we'll lift the front up again, and then from there we'll go ahead and take care of everything, and then she's gonna be my brake stepper. Ain't that right, darling? That's right, my independent woman who is, I'm teaching her how to do her stuff. That irony. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get that taken care of. All right, so what I'm gonna do is, because in our parking spot we have this little thing, so we're gonna go ahead and lift it. My little princess is gonna go ahead and lift it. There you go.
I got it.
Oh, sorry. Anyways, and then we're gonna go ahead and take her wheel off on this side, so that way we can get that off. So by first, we gotta ruin her car. Ah!
Oh. Can anybody just do that to my car?
Yes.
That's not safe.
I told you that's what a hubcap is.
Oh.
A revelating discovery, guys. I knew that was gonna trip you out.
What do you mean? You broke it, huh?
Sure, I broke it. That's exactly what I did. Alright, so now she's taking off her lug nuts. And then she's gonna go and take the tire off. Meanwhile, while we're on this side, we might as well get this one rotated as well. Put that one onto that side. We'll start with the brake flush. And then, yeah, we'll start with the brake flush on this back one. Hopefully I have everything that needs to be done for that. All right, had a little scare there. I thought the stud was cross-threaded, but all good. So now she's gonna go ahead and finish this up. My breaker bar broke, so I don't even have a breaker bar no more. And so yeah. Oh, good job, darlings. And ladies and gentlemen, she has taken off her very first tire. Semi on her own.
I did everything on my own.
Did you break the lug nuts too?
Yep.
Okay.
Come on, back into it.
Anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and rotate the tires real quick. Guys, she got her first injury. Look at that. A little very small, but nonetheless. So now you have sweat and blood into this car.
My car.
Exactly. Now you're just missing tears. You gotta have that emotion for this car. Anyways, so I think what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna leave this side how it is. We're gonna jack up the other side, and we're just gonna kind of do it like that, the little sketchy way. Alright guys, so I already went ahead and I set up the little plastic line connectors to the caliper and everything like that. So we're ready to go. The Shop Pro DOT3. Nothing too crazy, it's just for her daily car. So we're gonna go ahead, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in a decent amount of the fluid here Nice and full. Cool. Alrighty, so she's gonna be recording on her phone. I'm gonna go ahead and record on my phone. I'll tell you when to start pumping, okay?
Want me to start the car?
No. Don't start the car. And then let me grab the oil pan here real quick. Also, before the oil drips out. Beautiful. Alright. Let me go ahead and open this up. And then I'm just gonna stick the tube really in here. It doesn't need to be anything crazy or whatnot. Oh, dang. 1 second, guys. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open the bleed screw. I think it's, oh, damn, hold on. There you go. So you guys can see how dirty that fluid is. It looks clear because the sun is kind of, no, keep going. Yeah. Keep pumping, keep going, keep going. One more time. And one more.
They're on properly. Still need to tighten them, but for the most part, they're good.
All right, guys. So we finished up with the car. It's hot. I think it took about 2 hours for pretty much everything, which is not too bad.
2 hours? What time is it?
I don't know. I think it's like almost 3, something like that. But yeah, we pretty much finished everything up. So we definitely got to clean up all of this mess real quick. At least it's not too much. We try to keep everything together. Honestly, I'm not gonna take my tools up right now. I'm so tired. I want to go eat, relax real quick, and then we can come back and do that. But I appreciate you guys watching the video, supporting the channel. I do have a couple more videos coming out. This is gonna come out after the cruise video. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna eat right now. We'll go ahead and make that right now, basically, and then from there I'll make a couple other videos. And yeah, so yeah, you want to go ahead and sign out the channel?